the Oral-B IO Deep Clean packs a game-changing oral care experience into an easy-to-use electric toothbrush that just happens to be dentist recommended. Imagine having a daily habit that not only keeps your teeth sparkling clean, but also helps prevent gum disease and promotes healthier gums. That's exactly what the Oral-B IO Deep Clean can do. By removing up to 100% more plaque in just 1 week than a manual toothbrush, it sets a new standard for oral care. So, how does it achieve this impressive feat? The answer lies in its unique round brush head, designed with dentist-inspired expertise to deliver gentle yet powerful cleaning. But what really sets the Oral-B IO Deep Clean apart is its intelligent gum protection system, which features a smart pressure sensor that alerts you if you're pressing too hard, too soft, or just right. This means that not only will your teeth be cleaner and healthier, but your gums will also thank you for the extra care. And with 5 dynamic cleaning modes to choose from, including Daily Clean, Sensitive, Whitening, Gum Care, and Intense Clean, you can customize your oral hygiene routine to fit your specific needs. But what about when you're on the go? The Oral-B IO Deep Clean has got you covered there too. Its long-lasting charge lasts up to 2 weeks, making it the perfect companion for busy days or travel. Plus, with a built-in charger and 3-hour fast charger, you can easily top off your battery whenever you need to. And let's not forget about maintenance. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean comes with refill alerts that notify you when it's time to replace your brush head every 3 months, ensuring you always have the best possible oral care experience. But don't just take our word for it. This is a product that has been clinically proven to deliver real results. In fact, studies have shown that Oral-B electric toothbrushes like the IO Deep Clean remove up to 2x healthier gums than manual brushes. So, are you ready to revolutionize your oral care routine with the Oral-B IO Deep Clean? With its powerful cleaning technology, intelligent gum protection system, and customizable settings, this is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. One of the most exciting features of the Oral-B IO Deep Clean is its ability to detect and adapt to different brushing styles. The brush head's unique bristle design allows it to gently clean even the tightest spaces between teeth, while also providing a soothing massage-like experience for your gums. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean also comes with advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to track your brushing habits and set reminders to ensure you're on top of your oral care routine. Plus, with the Oral-B mobile app, you can access personalized recommendations from dentists and experts to help you get the most out of your Oral-B IO Deep Clean. The brush's sonic technology is also worth mentioning, delivering a gentle yet powerful cleaning experience that removes up to 30% more plaque than manual toothbrushes. This means that with regular use, you can say goodbye to painful gums and hello to a healthier, whiter smile. In addition to its impressive cleaning capabilities, the Oral-B IO Deep Clean is also designed with comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and making it easy to brush for up to 2 minutes twice a day. But what about whitening? The Oral-B IO Deep Clean comes equipped with advanced whitening technology that helps remove surface stains and leave your teeth looking brighter and more radiant. And with its gentle cleaning mode, you can trust that your gums will remain healthy and happy even during the whitening process. The Oral-B IO Deep Clean is also designed for sensitive teeth and gums. The brush's intelligent gum protection system alerts you when you're applying too much pressure, ensuring a comfortable brushing experience every time. Plus, with its built-in timer, you can be sure that you're brushing for the right amount of time to get the most out of your cleaning routine. Incorporating advanced technology like Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone app integration, the Oral-B IO Deep Clean is truly at the forefront of oral care innovation. Whether you're looking to upgrade your daily routine or simply want a more effective way to clean your teeth, this brush is sure to impress. Whether you're on the move or just need a reliable companion for your daily routine, the Oral-B IO Deep Clean has got you covered. With its long-lasting battery life, durable design, and advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, this electric toothbrush is the perfect addition to any oral care arsenal. So, are you ready to experience the power of the Oral-B IO Deep Clean for yourself? With its cutting-edge technology, intelligent gum protection system, and customizable settings, this is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come.